Hi guys! In this video I'm going to be opening up an Inku Crate box, and I want to give a big thank you to Inku Crate who sent this to me for free to review, and this is the February box. When you're done watching this video, make sure to head on over to my kids YouTube channel because they also did a review of this box. And if you want to save $3 off your first Inku Crate, then make sure to use the code Marie3 as well as a link below. I am an affiliate of Inku Crate, so I earn from any qualifying purchases that you make. So first up we have this cute little gummy bear rocket pencil, and it has different colored pencil leads inside of each bear. So this is super old school. This reminds me of something that I had when I was a child. I think the gummy bears that they drew on the package are really adorable, and the pencil is okay. It's kind of light actually when you try to write with it, so it's probably not the best pencil. I think I would have liked it better if it had like actual pencil lead, because I don't think that any of us are going to really use this a ton, but I think it's still cute. The plastic cap. So next we have a little pack of chocolate sticker flakes, and these are perfect for Valentine's Day. By the time I publish this, it's going to be after Valentine's Day, but this actually came in late January, so it was really just perfect. I think the chocolate covered fruit is so cute. You can put it on a card for Valentine's Day. My favorite one is, I think, this strawberry chocolate bar, and I love how it has the gold lettering on it. And then they have a couple of random flowers like this pansy and some orange slices. And the next item in this box is an animal pencil case, and the one that they showed in the picture was a cat pencil case, so mine is different. It's the Shiba Inu, which is kind of like a Japanese dog. It's comparable to, I know the name of the Korean dog, but I don't know what this will be called in English. Maybe a husky or something. Anyway, it's a little smaller, and I love this little blue ribbon zipper. The gross grain ribbon, I think, is so pretty, and it's a nice size pencil case which fits just enough stuff. The outside is kind of like a vinyl-ish material, so even though it's white, I don't think it'll get dirty too easily. So this is a Pikachu pen, and it has these cute little drawings of Pikachu. I think I've gotten a washi tape with the same style Pikachu drawing on it, and this one comes in red, pink, and purple, and I got the red one, so this is perfect for Valentine's Day. And this is a gel pen, and it writes really nicely and smoothly, so I like this one. So next up we have this Apollo strawberry chocolate glue, and this is a glue stick that is decorated like Apollo strawberry chocolate, which is a popular candy that you can find in Japan, and I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day because it's pink and strawberries and chocolate. So yeah, and if you've seen my shopping in Japan videos, you'll know that sweets flavored stationery is really popular. I've seen this kind of stuff at the candy store even, and Don Quixote. And inside it's just a regular glue stick. It would be nice if it smelled like strawberry or chocolate, but it's cuter than a regular glue stick. And then next up we have this cute little Memo Pad Set, and it looks like it comes with these little plastic pouches, and you can reuse them to put office supplies like paper clips or rubber bands in, and then you can use the notepads as well. So this one has a heart and a peach theme. So the pink pouch with the picture of the heart on it says Momo, which means peach, and then the green pouch, which has a picture of a peach, says Harto. So they have the words reversed, but I think it's on purpose and it's meant to be cute. And then inside they have these two little notepads. I think they're the same in both pouches, but they have these little hearts all around, and some of the hearts have faces. I think this would be a nice notepad to keep in your purse, because since it has the protective plastic covering, the edges of the notepad won't get damaged. Leave a comment below and let me know which one of these is your favorite. I think this is my favorite item in the entire box. This is the Sumiko Gurashi Shiigami paper. And Shiigami paper is like Japanese decorative paper that has repeating patterns on it. So Chio means 1000 generations and Gami means paper. So I think this is so adorable. I love how each of the little Sumiko Gurashis have their own little baby pets or plushies. Just so cute. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. So there are two different designs, and here is the second design. I think I like the first one better, but this one is cute for Valentine's Day. You can use this for scrapbooks, journals, wrapping small gifts, and even for origami.
Now that's why it looked like it was all rolled out. Yeah. Do you have anything to say about this pencil case? Yeah, I think it's not that cute. Then I think it's really cute.
Make sure to head on over to my kids' channel to watch the rest of their review of this Inku Crate box. And as always, I want to give a big thank you and shout out to my Patreons and channel members. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.